could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I won't do it, no, no way I'm saying so. I could pretend that you're doing okay. I could give in when you want it your way, but I won't do it, no, no way I'm saying so. He's been seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to open the scars you left behind. You won't believe who he's calling that to. You don't deserve what he's putting you through. It's not your fault, though, no, no way I'm saying so. Promise you'll end it the second you can. Promise I'll be here to hold you, my friend. It's not your fault, though, no, no way I'm saying so. He's been seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to cry every tear you got inside. And baby, I know it hurts.
Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that you change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that you change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now, now. Cause your love at the time. Feels like the first time. Feels like I've never been in love before. You got me falling. Oh, so deep. Oh, so deep. You're not a bad boy. And that's the problem, 'cause I'm going broke. Spent all my money. All on you. All on you. Listen up, I am down tonight, but there's just one thing I need to wrap my head around. Yeah, I don't know if I can take another date and enough by myself. Make a move, it's time for you to step up. Yeah, it's now or never. Tonight better be the night. That we'll remember until we're in the ground. The thing that both of us will talk about when we're all sitting together. I guess it is our first kiss. Can't wait forever for you to take your time. I can't afford to take it slow tonight. Wanna talk about the weather? Let's do this. Our first kiss. Not gonna force you, but I will slap you if you leave me dry. Don't be so gentle. All the time, all the time. I think I've earned it for all the dates that have been good and fun. This is the first time. Oh, for us, oh, for us. That we'll remember until we're in the ground. The thing that both of us will talk about when we're all sitting together. I guess it is our first kiss. Can't wait forever for you to take your time. I can't afford to take it slow tonight. Wanna talk about the weather? Let's do this. Our first kiss. You gotta know that I'm into you, babe. Can't you see how we are always together? Hey, I know you're nervous, but don't talk about the weather. Just kiss me whenever. This is more tedious than New Year's and the ball drop. Like the fuse and let the firework jumpstart, and then you'll see what the fuss is about, huh? Yes, tonight, night. All we need is to get to first base. So don't you run away. I want you to stay. Don't you see what we could be? That we'll remember until we're in the ground. The thing that both of us will talk about when we're all sitting together. I guess it is our first kiss. Can't wait forever for you to take your time. I can't afford to take it slow tonight. Wanna talk about the weather? Let's do this. Our first kiss.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and slay me outside, I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat.